before we explain the clause, let's take a quick pause so I can tell you what the clause really is. Pay attention and you'll get an A on your very nice quiz. A clause is a word group that contains a subject and a verb. If it doesn't have both, then kick that sentence to the curb. Just want to make sure my voice is heard. There are two types, an independent and subordinate. An independent states a complete thought, and a subordinate really does not. An independent can stand by itself, do all the work, just like an elf. A subordinate cannot stand alone. These raps of royalty, I'll sit back in my throne.
Now do state that infrastructure, each sentence has its own structure, either simple, compound, complex. Combine the two, compound, complex. If a sentence is simple, it contains the complete thought. Everything wrong, you need to be retaught. Compounds hold to simple sentences held by conjunction, allowing it to function. If you forget, keep your poise and just remember, fanboys. The sentence has complex, acts like a duplex, has both an independent and dependent clause, contains no flaws. Compound complex is the last type and contains the most type. It has two independent and one dependent. It is definitely the most extensive. I just spit some by the law about the clause. Now pass it off and with my applause.
Let's talk about subordinates, so equally as important. Except this clause to be adjective, adverb, and noun. And if you don't know by now, Mr. Smile will stare you down.
The adjective clause is what I will explain. It modifies a pronoun or noun, for example, a name. An adjective clause tells which one or what kind. To understand this, I promise you don't have to be a mastermind.
An adverb clause modifies a verb, also an adjective, and of course an adverb. It tells you how, when, why, to what extent, and under what conditions it's properly introduced by subordinate conjunction.
First thing you need to know, spoken with this beautiful flow. The adjective clause has two forms, something you need to make part of your norm. Essential is the first one. Get this right and you won't be shunned.
The other is called non-essential. It is very inferential. The info can be cut from the rest. Get this correct and you'll be the best.
Alright. Last one. The final clause is the one that's a noun, and we ain't even joking, get rid of the clown. It can be used in many ways, and it's not even tricky like a maze. The first way is as a subject. If someone says no, then they are suspect. The next is predicate nominative. Shh, I know this is dominative. Two others are direct object, and you guessed it, indirect object. The last one includes the object of a preposition. It's not any mind games, release the inception. This is coming to you from your voice for period one. Save your breath, we already know that we stun. And to do this, it can't be anyone, and with that, I am done.
Let's go, baby! Ha, ha, ha.
We off.